to see you guys.
Supporter pasti buat pengorbanan guys untuk nonton kita.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change.
Selamat malam Parepare dan selamat malam Surabaya, Makassar. Dan pemirsa, pertandingan di pekan ke-26 dari BTF Liga 1 ada big match, partai klasik. Pertemuan antara PS Makassar menghadapi Persebaya Surabaya yang berlangsung di Stadion Gelora BJ Habibie, tempatnya berada di Parepare, di mana berjarak kurang lebih sekitar 3 jam dari kota Makassar.
What you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? To fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, oh. And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, oh. We all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for
Biasa saya minta sama siapa? Mas, ready?
Hey, 2 years we don't play with supporters. 2 years.
2 tahun guys, kita tidak main bagi dengan supporter.
So guys, I don't care about the results. I want to see everybody with bagus, very good attitude.
Hasil tidak terlalu perlu, ya. Cuma attitude kalian harus sangat-sangat bagus di lapangan.
The play is ready. As you see, be careful with the field.
Hati-hati dengan lapangannya basah, licin, bola menggelinding lebih cepat.
Of the field, the ball goes to reach speed. Be careful with this situation, and this can be a trigger for us.
Dan ini bisa jadi trigger buat kita.
The big sacrifice to see you guys.
Supporter pasti buat pengorbanan guys untuk nonton kita. Perjalanan yang mereka tempuh dari Makassar, ya. Tidak dekat Makassar.
We cannot promise that we're going to win, but we can promise that we're going to do everything to win.
Ya,
and we have to win today, guys.
Ya, kalian tidak bisa janjikan hasil kemenangan, tapi kalian bisa janjikan attitude di luar sana. Selesai.
Pega tudo para o céu. Os jogos fora, tem que ficar tudo hoje. Bora lá, tudo.
Bora.
Berhasil meraih kemenangan yang sangat-sangat penting di pekan ke-26 dari BTF Liga 1.